Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a new review for you. This is of the new Revlon foundation. So it's very hot in this room at the moment, so I will keep this intro very short and we will get straight right into this. Okay, we are up close and personal. I apologize in advance for the noise that you can hear. It is extremely hot today in London, and I had to close my door and my windows so there's no noise. But to be able to breathe in this hot weather in my room, I've actually turned on my fan, so I'm really sorry if you can hear it, but I am literally dying. Anyway, we are reviewing this little beauty today. This is the new Revlon foundation, Candid foundation it's called. So this is called Revlon New Photoready Candid foundation. This has a natural finish, anti-pollution foundation, and I have the color 250 vanilla. So let's actually open this. I haven't opened this at all at the moment. So okay, so it comes in a plastic tube, and then it has got a pump, which is always welcome, and obviously there's a lid as well. I don't really know if this has any SPF or what kind of coverage it gives, but oh okay, so this says foundation medium buildable coverage, no harsh ingredients, anti-pollution, antioxidant, anti-blue light, and oil free. Okay, well, I think today is the perfect day for this because it's very hot, so this will be an actual test of this. So let me just pump this onto my hand. Oh, it's very thick. I did try the color in the store, but the lights over there are so dodgy, you never really know what you're what color you're getting. So on my skin I have got my SPF and my moisturizer on, and yeah, and I have combination skin. I'm not really sure if I've ever mentioned that, but anyway, yeah, I've got combination skin. So let's try this on. What I will do, like always, is it's very thick. So I will dot this on my face and do half of my face with a brush and half of it with a sponge. So just so that we know what we're working with. So on my right half, this half, I'm going to be using the sponge. I'm sorry, this is it's a really big sponge. It is the Real Technique sponge, but this was the only one which was slightly less dirty. So I got this, and it is dampened, so I will just use this for this side. So my right hand side is the sponge side. Yeah, that's actually blended in really nicely. On the other side, I'm be using my brush. The brush I have is the Zoeva Silk Finish 102. I recently started using this brush again because it was in my stash and I completely forgot about it, and then I was just rejiggling my makeup and I said, oh, I haven't used that in a very long time, and to be honest, I actually forgot how good this brush is. Let's do another layer because they're saying it is buildable. It is buildable, but I do think for some reason the sponge side has more coverage than the brush side, which is odd, and that never happens because the sponge always helps diffuse it more, makes it more sheer, as opposed to the brush side. So let's start with the sponge again. Besides the fact that it has clinged onto my dry patches, I don't hate it. It's definitely slightly a heavier, I wouldn't call it, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but in terms of being a foundation, it definitely is not one of the lightest ones that I've used. So So I will just show you this now, and I will do the rest of my face, powder everything, and then come back to you for a final look. Final look? I don't know. For a final look. So for now, this is the brush side, and this is the Beauty Blender Real Technique sponge side. So I will come back with a full face of makeup, everything set, and we will have a final look before I go on with my day. So see you in a bit. Okay, so I am back with my full face of makeup. So I will give you a more in-depth look now. So this is the brush side. It has definitely clinged onto my dry patches, and I've tried to scrape them off, but oh well. And this is the sponge side. This is my forehead. And my chin. Okay, so I will wear this for the rest of the day. We'll do a whole day of wear and review. Today is very, very hot, so fingers crossed. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the day.